What's up? Today I gotta show you my 3 different decade Zippo Old Collection. This is an old collection, but today I'm gonna show you and we will check it out what different between the lighters. So this one, so this one you can see and check. We will check it out what different between the decades. Okay. You know, I will tell you my story. The reason why I collect Zippo lighters, and from the beginning I have a friend. He told me that okay, we go to the flea market and have 1,000 ton of old thing we can collect, and also have a Zippo lighter. And at that time I didn't know what Zippo lighter because I'm a woman without smoking, so I never heard about it. So I didn't decide. And day after day, and one day after my dinner, and I went through to the flea markets, have a lot of people there, and I found out 3 lighters, Zippo lighter, and I remember the one have the hand etching about the Expendables film. You guys remember that film? One of the men, his name Rambo, and I remember the words like, and the slogan like, find him, chuck him, and kill him, like that. And also have some letters they etching, like this is how we face the dark, only slowly dilutes it, and slow more and more that will swallow it, like that. The expandable film, and have the skull, and had a skull, and had the eagle, they make like the etching and hand painted, and that's one really, really make me want to know more about Zippo lighter, about the history, legendary. So that's the reason why I'm here to tell you my story. Why? And from the beginning with the Zippo lighter at the flea market, and one guy's near my area, he called me because I make the video on YouTube, and he called me. He would love to chat with me, and thereafter hundreds call me like they want that Zippo with the Expendables etching, with the scarf and the eagle etching. But it's gone already, so I have 2 Zippo lighter left. The color silver, and also had the hand painting and hand etching. And until now I exchange to some guy around my country, because they really like it. And that's my story about Zippo lighter. And uh, one thing I love about zipper lighter, like windproof lighter, and the link will zip every time we zip. The zip sound make me so excited, you know, even I'm small. So right now I just said do things with my flower in the morning, drink coffee, enjoy my morning, and collect Zippo somewhere on eBay around my country to exchange on Amazon, but on Amazon because they don't deliver to Vietnam, to my country, so almost on eBay like easier. And some of my friends, they order or forbid on eBay and then they exchange to me. That's my day. So because my English not my mother tongue, not my native language, and almost I quit my job for 10 years, so I just communicate with my Vietnamese communities. You know, I speak Vietnamese every day with my local people. So please sympathize with me if sometimes my English not so good, but I hope you guys to understand what I'm saying to you and what I really want to share it with you via internet, and we can connect, you know, from over the world. That's what I dream about. So please don't forget to give me a subscribe, like, and share, and we can keep in touch via my email, or send me a message from my number, cell phone number, from the description. So if you guys have something like zipper lighter or zipper lighter or old zipper lighter but not used, so please change so we can talk about it later. So this is the 1941 Falcon. It's USS rocket, USS title slogan, and this is the Playboy magazine. I love it. So we will check it out with the video below later. I will show you. Okay? Thank you for watching and sharing. Have a beautiful day and have a beautiful life. Thank you very much. See you guys soon. See ya. Bye.